love you. I love you so much. Milo, this is dangerous. Milo, get off. Jesus Christ. This is why I don't want you jumping on me today. Hi, Mutt. How are ya? Oh my god, boob slips! God damn it.
Why? No, my hand is not a toy. Go play on the chair. The chair is really fun. It's a fun chair. She's having so much fun over there. Chair's a blast. What the fuck just happened? I'm so pissed, dude. This cat, I'm about to kick this girl out of the room. Oh my god. Fuck off. God. Money's tight. Stop, kitty.
What the fuck did I say about it?
Me and Jeroni's came and Jeroni's not in the same server with you guys.
Oh, good point.
Jeroni, fucking join.
Then you know what? You go to friends and then you choose the friend you want to join.
Alright. I did the crew member thing, but if that doesn't work, I'm gonna just join on.
I gotta
I
rejoin.
need to find your apartment.
Hi, I'm Sarah McLaughlin. Every day, innocent animals are neglected, and they're crying out for help. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here.
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? You better run!
Am I gonna No, it's not that I'm a pro gamer, I'm just... She literally was asleep and she just fell. I feel so bad right now. Oh my god. Come here. Okay. Okay, now she's on the floor. She's embarrassed.
Jesus. Holy shit. Well... My dog's alive. He's fine. I tripped over my one dog, and then I stepped on the other one. So, and then I fell. Because I was trying not to kill my dog.
Can you hear it? Yeah, it's like, it's so loud. Dude, it's literally... It may have gotten up on the table.
Hello. It's me. Nice to meet you.
Oh my god! Holy
zero.
fuck!
Technically it should be zero, because zero doesn't change any numbers.
Oh my god!
Because
The thing is literally at my fucking window! Holy shit, that scared me!
Boys, leave the game.
Oh no.
This is your chance to go get the cat.
Yeah, bring it in.
Yo, honestly, alright. Alright, I'm going for it, to be honest.
Big pick, big pick.
Yo, I'm going for it. Big pick here. Alright.
No, start.
Alright. We're gonna gear up.
I'm watching the stream.
Hang on, let me see.
Start.
Scruff, what's up, bro? We're on a mission right now. We're trying to save a cat that is just sitting in my window.
I'm watching the stream right now, guys. Shut up.
Start it.
Alright.
Cool it. Smitty is the leader.
We gotta gear up. I need gloves. There's one glove.
You guys watch the stream, okay?
Where's that other glove?
Cast our own game.
Yow.
Oh, there it is. Yo, boys, this is gonna be legendary, alright? I promise you. I'm gonna save this fucking
Like
cat.
and fly.
It's an optimal.
Alright,
Give me a favor.
so we're trying to save a cat right now. That's the plan.
Are we not in the queue? No, we're not.
Sitting at the window. I need to put shoes
Smitty's a
on.
big game baby. It's confirmed. It's been confirmed for a while.
So, we're gonna fucking do this shit, man. Hey, bud. Hey.
What color's the cat?
Black. Straight black.
Dude, it's gonna fucking kill you.
I know! That's what I'm saying, like...
Good fucking joke.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Like, it's up to you, that's all I'm saying.
Wait, why do you have to...
Alright.
Low priority, oh no.
Is this the only way out of his house?
Heading to my death.
It's an apartment?
You know Milan is the second best.
Might as well drink a little.
Dude, I heard the cat. Dude, I heard you.
I don't know how to go about doing this. I feel like I should just open up the window. Like the screen.
Yeah, you already threw your TV on the ground.
Is there like something like at the top?
Alright, let me see if I can get the screen. I don't want him to like run away.
Canada, and I got my rabies shots.
Rabies is
Dude, I got it!
Like a static bacterium with the virus.
You see it? Holy shit.
Cat! The cat is in! The cat is in! What the fuck?
Let me pick you up.
What?
Hey, let me pick him up.
That's unhygienic. He needs to go brush his teeth and wash his hands, but not in that order.
Hi. This cat loves me, dude.
Oh, you pick up a cat?
He's got the cat, dude.
He's like going in and out. Murph. Murph, don't you fucking do it. Murph?
Look at her. No, I can't explain. Okay. Oh, that's kind of. Look at her. Oh my gosh, you're so cool. That's so funny. Anyway, that's typical of cats. Like when you're scratching them, they're in the end they're like biting you. What are their names? The one up there is Sansa, and that one is Zarya. She's so mad right now. I just have to do it.
Some just neutral place.
Game and Jeroni's not in the same server with you guys.
Oh, good point.
Drawing, fucking join.
Then you know what? You go to friends and then you choose the friend you want to join.
Alright. I did the crew member thing, but if that doesn't work, I'm gonna just join on.
I gotta
I need
rejoin.
to find your apartment.
Hi, I'm Sarah McLaughlin. Every day, innocent animals are neglected, and they're crying out for help.